kuchunguza mambo ya tax returns, books of account, databases and any information they have and all records. Nasema all records. Sasa tunauliza ikiwa wana shaka au shauku kwamba AfriCOG labda hailipi ushuru fulani, waseme tunashuku hamlipi VAT. Sio kwamba kuna makosa mmefanya. They have come here with the presumption of guilt. Kwamba AfriCOG is guilty of non-payment of tax without laying a basis for such. But what I am telling you is from the face of it, those papers are forgeries. They are unlikely to have come from the court. Kwa sababu hata ile order yenyewe haina jina ya yule hakimu. Ina signature tu na seal ya Chief Magistrate Court, lakini haina jina kwa sababu kila order ambayo unapata kutoka mahakama ni lazima iseme kwamba maombi fulani yamewasilishwa mbele ya mimi fulani hakimu. Ndio hata mahakama inakuwa inawajibika kwa sheria. Sasa hivi anybody can go and print a piece of paper and come with it here and say we have come to search because we have this warrant. So by the time you discover that it was a forgery, they have already messed you up.
There have been information that AfriCOG is one of those parties that are planning to go to the Supreme Court. And this is one of the issues that are targeting to make sure
Which
that
information?
they do not manage in that process. What is your position over the same?
I don't know your source of that information. Even if the information existed, which I doubt, they should be getting orders against every single Kenyan then who might be interested to go to the Supreme Court. Why AfriCOG? Unless you are saying that they want to incapacitate AfriCOG from ever seeking legal redress. But it has a right, just like you and me have the right to do so. If someone from somewhere seeks to incapacitate me or you from going to court, then you should really, really be worried what kind of leadership you have.
And finally, could you call this a pure criminal issue or it's political?
You know, sometimes politics. Sometimes crime can result from politics, and I think that the people who came here are engaging in crime, which may be politically motivated, because abuse of the law is a crime, abuse of office is a crime. Whether it is motivated by politics, I do not know, but it is likely that it is motivated by such, because I have said before and I will say again, Uhuru Kenyatta has never been comfortable with human rights and governance organizations. In fact, he has spoken openly against them. There is a huge section of his administration that believes that it is the human rights organizations that took them to The Hague last time, and they have never forgiven those organizations through that perception. It's a vendetta that I think it's likely they are carrying, and shamefully so, because there is a level of leadership you reach where even those who insult you, you forgive them and move on. So let's say this to Uhuru Kenyatta and his government: forget and move on, accept and move on.
What's the next move?
Court.
Which court are you going to?
The High Court.